Thank you so much for joining me here.
Yeah, thanks.
Awesome, awesome. So I am our customer relations manager, and right now we just wanted to get your overall solar experience thus far. How's it
Um,
been?
so far it's been great. I had some expectations that were given to me that it should be like 3 days for install, but it took like a week. So luckily I worked from home, but they worked around my schedule real
Okay,
great. So
perfect.
I had no problems.
Okay,
They kind of, let me know all the steps along the way and everything else. So that was awesome. The main guy on the project actually went on paternity leave during the process. So there was little communication issues between there, but we got it resolved. So no big deals there.
okay.
But like as far as solar itself, I love it. I mean, my energy bill it's been a credit the last 2 months. The month before that, I only owed $7, and my winter one has been like $150 cheaper
Oh,
than it.
wow.
So,
That's awesome.
and that's at the highest. Like the highest I paid this winter was 147, and it's usually upwards of $300 in the winter.
Oh, wow. Wow, 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 wow. Nice, nice. So what would you say is your favorite thing about going solar?
Um, Pretty much the fact that whenever everybody's lights go out, ours stay on.
There you go. Look at that. See? A perfect advertisement for solar. That's amazing. So have you referred any neighbors or friends in the
I've
past?
referred a couple friends that sparked some interest in solar, and so I was like, "Hey, I have a guy. Let me put your name down. I'll go have him give you a call. If you see a number from California, don't be surprised. Go ahead and answer it." So,
Nice.
um, I've had a couple people say, "Yeah, let's go ahead and at least look into it." So,
Perfect. Perfect. And are you on a brand ambassador program?
a what? I'm sorry.
The brand ambassador program. It's a
Yes.
really cool app. Okay, cool. Just making sure.
Yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
perfect. Perfect. Awesome, awesome. That is so cool. Well, I think this is a great testimonial, and you pretty much covered some of the most important bases, which is low electricity, you're loving it, and you would recommend it.
Yeah, for sure.
That's so
Yeah. I
perfect.
mean, and then the fact that the warranty extends the life of payments, that was golden for me, because I'm like, if I'm still paying on it and the warranty is done, like, what is the point there?
Right,
So
right, right,
love
right.
that.
That is awesome. Thank you so much. I really, really appreciate it.
You're welcome.